You know how we try to look put together in winters, but the weather says no, and it's a constant battle between trying to look like this, but ending up looking like an insulated marshmallow? Yeah, let's fix that. Meat, the base layer. It's the form-fitting, skin-tight, temperature-regulating layer that wicks moisture, basically heat tech. Now this thing really hugs your body and traps all that nice warm body heat to keep you warm and cozy. Next up, the mid layer. Insulates and retains body heat, super lightweight, easy to put on and take off. Outer layer. It is waterproof, it is snow-proof, it is wind-proof, and is likely to face the most amount of eyeballs. It's obviously way better to wear multiple lightweight layers than just wearing a single bulky layer of clothing because it allows you to add and remove layers according to the weather and temperature throughout the day. The black turtleneck. This is a classic one. It keeps you warm and insulated. It's perfect for layering. You can pair it with practically anything. You can wear jewelry over it without it giving you death chills. It can be used for having some good solid solitude time in public. The only visible piece of clothing, the outer layer. These are the ones that you're gonna have to invest a bit in, but they last for years and make you look expensive and put together, and they can totally give you a lot of personality. The cool oversized fit, the classic and chic fit, I know I'm slaying fit. Boots. Again, expensive, but they add a good bit of personality to your outfit and they're built to last for decades. And they help me make up for my lack of height, so you get the point. Now to add the final touches, the cherry on the top. It is all about adding that bag, that scarf, a cute little beanie, the baker boy cap, the beret, putting on those gloves, or the ribbon bows. Basically statement pieces that complete the outfit and add that little something to your outfit. But with so many layers going on, there are two areas that we're most likely gonna mess up. And that's either the silhouette or the overall color palette. So what do? Go for coats and blazers that have a belted or a defined waist for a more professional and formal look, or for cropped shorter puffer jackets that shows off your waist for a more oversized, boxy, relaxed fit. There's no point fighting against your figure, you have to play with it. Go for an A-line silhouette if you want to give emphasis on your waist and draw attention away from your hips, or a fitted silhouette if you have an hourglass figure. If you have narrower shoulders, go for a boxy silhouette, and if you don't want to draw too much attention to your shoulders, try the drop shoulder style. Now look at this, longer overcoats with high-waisted wide leg jeans or trousers. In this one, oversized jacket balanced out with slim-fitting bottoms. The first one makes your legs look longer, and the second one with slim-fitting bottoms to avoid looking too overwhelming. And ideally, you want to keep the proportions in 1:2 or 2:1 to make it look nice and balanced. Also, mostly you would like to keep the outfit either monochromatic or going for a neutral color palette and using pop colors as statement pieces. There's the classic all black outfit, the elegant white and beige palette, the black and white contrast palette, the neutral sped with denim palette, the pastel with white palette, the pattern with solid color palette. But if you're going in an all one color monochromatic outfit, then you'll need to add some extra level of depth and dimensionality with the textures and shades. The thing about monochromatic outfits is that they make you look more put together and chic by adding a solid vertical column, making you look slimmer and taller than you actually are. For example, this with this and this looks far more interesting than a simple plain textured outfit. Another interesting thing the fashion girlies do is wearing a collared shirt underneath the simple crew neck sweater, or draping a sweater on your back like this gives either the extreme straight A student vibe or the extreme sporty kid vibe. There's no in between. Am I saying that any of this advice is ever going to be able to surpass the supremacy of the classic oversized sweatshirt over sweatpants in terms of warmth and coziness? No. Can any of this ever be as effortless, comfy, and fashionable as that? Also no. Do we still wear these clothes once in a while to make us feel like we are a functional part of the society, and so that people can stop treating us like some dumb 21-year-old? Anyways, don't forget to wear the pre-smile of yours. You look beautiful in that. Stay warm.